Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to claim rewards in Kukai in laptop. So in Kukai, rewards usually means taking rewards you earn when you delegate your XTZ Tezos to a Baker validator, keeping your tokens staked for some time. Good news first, Kukai auto adds rewards to your balance. You don't always need a big claim button like in other wallets. So still, here's exactly how it works and how to check it on laptop. So first, open any of the browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox recommended. In the top, there's an address bar. What you can do is type down wallet.kukai.app and make sure to log in using your method, Google, Twitter, password, wallet, ledger device. Wait until your wallet dashboard fully loads. So over here in this wallet, once logged in, you see your XTZ balance over here, token list if you have other Tezos tokens, network information tokens, and this is where rewards quietly appear. You can check if you are delegated. Very importantly, over here if it says not delegated, make sure it is delegated already. And you can also find your name, example, Everstakes, Tezos, Korea, etc. Delegating status means active. If you see a bigger name, you are earning rewards. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to claim rewards in Kukai Wallet. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.